angle of protection depends on the height of the air terminal and the level of protection considered for that structure. Let us consider a building of height 30 meters on which an air terminal of height 2 meters is installed at the top, and we are considering level 4 protection as per IEC 62305 Part 3. The radius of protection of the air terminals with respect to the reference plane shall be calculated by using the graph provided by IEC 62305 Part 3. The angle for heights 32 meter and 2 meter shall be obtained by extending a line up to level 4 curve from the corresponding heights on the PAM graph provided by the standard. When height of the air terminal is 2 meter, the protection angle will be 78.7 degree and the radius of protection will be 10 meter. When height of the air terminal along with the height of the building is 32 meter, the protection angle will be 43.3 degree and the radius of protection will be 30.1 meter. Based on the area to be protected, multiple air terminals need to be placed to protect the entire structure. All the air terminals should be interlinked by using a mesh conductor at the terrace. For each air terminal there should be a minimum of 2 parts to the earth. For level 4 protection, we need to provide a down conductor at every 20-meter interval along the perimeter of the building structure. The structure shall be considered protected if it is completely covered by the radius of protection of the air terminals installed. However, protection angle method shall be used to protect simple buildings or structures of height lesser than 60 meter.